On a sunlit island, a curious girl named Leina spent her days exploring tide pools and sketching shells. One morning, she heard a splash and found a baby dolphin trapped in a fishing net. With gentle hands, she freed him. "I'll call you Kiko," she whispered. From that day on, they were inseparable, swimming, playing, and exploring the reef. But one afternoon, Lena heard something unusual. A melody, not in her ears, but in her heart. Kiko nudged her toward the deeper sea, where the coral had lost its color and sea creatures drifted in silence. There, a glowing sea turtle named Nalia appeared. "The reef is dying," she said, "but those with true hearts can restore the coral song." Nalia sent them on a quest to awaken the three guardians of the deep. First, a graceful manta ray gifted them the pearl of flow. Then, a clever octopus tested Lena's empathy before offering a shard of living coral. Finally, in a dark abyss, Lena awakened a grieving whale with kindness, and he added his song to theirs. With the guardians' gifts, the coral song was reborn. Color surged through the reef, life returned, and the ocean sang once more. Back on land, Lena shared her story. Her village listened and acted. They cleaned the beaches, stopped waste, and vowed to protect the sea. And every day, Kiko swam beside her, a joyful reminder that courage, kindness, and respect for nature could change the world.